5, last day of the tour. Let's get at it. Day 5 of the bike tour, 5th and final day. Just making our way through Lund village. Poor fella. A lot of construction going on. A lot of people fixing up and building. Literally everywhere.
Come to 8 days, now you come to Murnam. Murnam people.
Murnam people, huh? This is another little village in the Highlands.
Go! 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 Murnam. Kêu, kêu.
Petrified.
Now,
He's quick though.
now, Murnam people.
Yeah.
Now people usually very quiet. Now some people working in the morning.
They've gone
very
already.
Early.
Yeah.
Maybe 4, 5
No.
p.m. come back. Con nhỏ không cho cái kẹo.
Yeah, there is kiddie winks in there.
You see me now? Murnam people, different house.
Yeah.
House and long house.
Yeah, I
Long
noticed.
house
Yeah,
and high house.
Oh,
about
yeah.
1 meter, 1/2 meter.
Yeah.
Motorbike and food, everything.
Goes up.
That-
But when the flood comes and
Yeah.
everything goes inside, huh? So this river here floods the river at the back.
Cooking.
Yeah, here for
Cooking,
here.
yeah.
But river at back
Yeah.
rises.
Sometimes here. Sometimes here maximum, you know,
Yeah.
1/2 meter.
Okay.
No come to there.
Yeah.
It's here in the mountain.
So everyone up here is alright. Hello.
Cho cái kẹo con. Không cho.
Everyone's running this morning.
Con. Cho cái kẹo. Kẹo này ngon mà.
Hello.
Đi làm à?
Everyone's happy.
Đâu à?
Everyone's happy
They
for
are
us.
now working in the jungle now, working buffalo.
Doing buffalo. Okay. How many's left? How many left?
See, there are people here, maximum, you know, 100 people out there.
100 people.
100 people.
And
One family, maximum about 4 or 5 people.
a lot of the families related here, like brother, sister, uncle,
yeah.
grandmother, everything here. Yeah, I've decided to let Tam give out the sweets because you saw yesterday that the kids were running for their dear life when I try and do it, so. So all the people that would work doing farming, what are they farming?
Farm, maybe-
Coffee, rice?
Coffee, coffee, pepper, banana,
Look after the buffalo, look after the
rice
cow.
field.
So there's a lot of agriculture then. A lot of agriculture here. They don't want.
Kẹo không? Lớn rồi không ăn hả? Today, children,
Yeah.
Sunday, no school.
No school.
No school.
But church?
Yeah.
What time?
Sometimes, maybe here in 9, 10, maybe afternoon.
Go to church.
In before long time year ago, before in the world, mountain people no chikun. You know, in a very full,
Yeah.
fighting.
Yeah.
Everybody, 100% no chikun, only talk no right. After she stop in the world,
Yeah.
you know, I got common information. You know now, two language, Vietnam language now, children come to chikun for free.
Right.
For free, no pay money.
Okay.
Two language, minority language and Vietnam language.
Okay.
But sometimes, you know, children very busy, family far away. You know, teacher come to family.
So they, right. So school, yeah. So teacher comes here.
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh, right. Okay. To
If
the
you know,
village.
your family don't like your children to come to school,
Yeah.
government, you know,
School, you mean, yeah?
teacher come to family.
Yeah.
For free.
Yeah. Cool. That's the right way to do it as well.
Running low on the borderlines, and you tell me that you're doing fine. Morning color lights the hall, pulls you right on through the door. So hold onto all that feeds your soul. I know a place where the sun shines every day. So come with me, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Coloring outside the lines, and you tell me you're just passing by, drowning in your reasons why. Talk is cheap, but we're wasting time. So hold onto all that feeds your soul. I know a place where the sun shines every day. So come with me, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Running low on the borderlines. Talk is cheap and we're wasting time.
Giận về với ai?
Right, so the 5-day tour is now over and I am in Dalat. And I just wanted to show you this room basically. So I've booked this for £7 a night, £7 pounds a night. So door, always handy to have as we come through from the door. Little washroom, toilet, shower, sink, mirror, bin, all the bits and pieces that you need. So you know what I mean, you're not writing a concerto in there, you're just washing, so that's perfect. And then as we back around, we've got in the room, we've got TV. I've not checked if that's got Netflix or not anything, so I'll have a look at that. Hangers that are open, that's perfect. I'll tell you why. This has just happened to me recently, actually. I bought a couple of new t-shirts and I hung them up in the wardrobe at one of the places I was staying, and I've realised that I forgot them. So if they're actually open like that and you can see them, as opposed to being in a locked cupboard, then you've got a much better chance of remembering them. Anyway, you might be better than me at remembering stuff. But mirror, fan, there is aircon somewhere here as well. No aircon, but to be fair, in Dalat it's quite cool at the moment anyway, so that's fine. That's not a problem, we'll come on to that later. Little bit of a mess here, so I've just unpacked, so just forgive me, but big double bed and what's that? Oh, dollars, they're always falling, they are. So big double bed, socket by the bed, that's important, you can charge everything up that you need. Little chair and tables there, doing some work already, and then, you know, a few bits and pieces, ornament styles, and then big windows, let loads of light in. I'm right on the street. But what I like about it, which is always a bonus, and I always try and get a room, this is £7. There's a little balcony here, little chair outside. All right, you're not seeing the Taj Mahal or anything like that, or in Vietnam anyway, so you're not seeing anything amazing, but you're right on the street. Got a coffee shop over there, shops down there, there's a hairdresser's up there, or barbers rather. There's a shop up there that I need to go and see as well, a hardware store for my next instalment after Dalat. So yeah guys, £7. Can you believe that? That's unbelievable. Dalat, Vietnam. Well my friends, that is all for this one from the 5-day bike tour. Cost of it was £250 basically, so £50 a day. That included your hotel being booked for you, paid for you as well, water, all the fuel, obviously TAM as well. So it is worth it. You don't have to do a 5-day tour, you can do a 2-3 day tour, but the 5-day tour I did, as we've seen, took me right through the Highlands, and I don't think you'd see that side of Vietnam unless you did something like that. So I recommend it. If you're going to do it, it'd be cool to do in a group of people for sure, but even if you're a solo traveller, it's worth doing. So until next time my friends, keep navigating.